Deleting chats one by one in ChatGPT sometimes can feel like a never-ending task, especially when you have many chats you want to delete. In this video, I will show you a much faster way to delete multiple chats at the same time. Normally, to delete a chat in ChatGPT, you would hover over a chat, click the three-dot icon next to it, and select Delete button. That is manageable when you are only dealing with a couple of chats, but when you have many chats to remove, doing this repeatedly takes a significant amount of time. So let me show you a faster way to handle this. Click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner, then select Settings. When the Settings window opens, go ahead and select the Data Controls tab. Right there, you will find the option to clear all your chats at once. Simply click the Delete All button and then click Confirm Deletion to proceed. If you want to clear your entire chat history, that does the job. But what if you only want to delete specific chats, not all of them? To do that, we will need a browser extension. Go to your browser search bar and type ChatGPT Bulk Delete extension, then press Enter. You will see results pointing to the Chrome Web Store. Do not worry, this extension works across different browsers, not just Chrome. So, click on the first result from the Chrome Web Store. If you are using Google Chrome browser, just click on this button. If you are using Microsoft Edge, like me, you will also see an option to install it. Just click on this Get Extension button, then Add Extension. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation notification in your browser. Once that is done, head back to ChatGPT. From here, look at the top right of your browser and click on Extensions icon, then select ChatGPT Bulk Delete from the list. A small panel will appear. From there, click the Add Checkboxes button. A checkbox will now appear beside each chat in your list. Go ahead and select the chats you want to delete. Once you have made your selection, open Extension panel again and click on Bulk Delete button. The extension will begin deleting selected chats one by one. Just wait a moment for the process to complete. As you can see, all the chats you selected have been removed successfully. And that is how simple it is to clear multiple ChatGPT chats at once without going through each one manually.